What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna do Zone 4 harvest video of my collard greens that I've been waiting a long time, pushing it off to
Collard greens, collard greens.
Yes.
So where are they at?
Okay, come along here. They're here in this back bed. With the netting on it.
Why'd you put the netting on there?
We get this little white butterfly that's annoying, and she lays eggs and makes caterpillars and will eat up every last green leaf on your greens possible.
Yeah, we don't want that.
And we don't want that.
You let this one out? Oh my gosh.
This is baby.
Get out of here.
She's guarding the garden.
Okay.
She keeps all those chipmunks you hear in the trees.
Oh God, I hate the chipmunks. And then the birds. What about the crows that come down, man?
Yeah. This is the Midwest here. So we get a lot of crows. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the bottom and harvest as much leaves as possible because it's quite grown up. I cut them.
So now this big one right here, what is this one?
That is
A potato?
purple Majesty potatoes.
Oh Lord.
And I did a check yesterday, and I pulled one, and there are
Oh,
potatoes.
that's the one that's a potato in there?
Yeah. There are potatoes under there.
Hey.
See, one thing in the Midwest, your gardeners start off standing up straight, but when we get our winds and our rains, everything's leaning to the side. So you hope for the best. And that's what happened to my potatoes.
Oh, they fell over but they pop back up though.
Well, no, not necessarily. They're still linked to the side. I put a little fencing around it to try to hold them up, but they're still alive.
That's what counts.
Yeah.
Oh my word, look at this. You did all that while I was uploading again?
Yes, that's the final harvest of one greens bed.
How much you think that'll cost in the store for them greens?
These days, I don't know, it depends on where you shop. Over $50, I'm sure.
Yay!
Very healthy leaves, very nice.
Yay, very good.